Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine and well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error, specifically this error which says your device is missing important security and quality fixes. To start with, you will have to download the Windows 10 Update Assistant. To download the Windows 10 Update Assistant, you will visit this URL. I'll also put it in the description of the video. So once you are here, click on this button, Update Now, and it will download this update tool. Save it in your PC wherever you want. So I've already saved it. Let me open it. This one, the Windows 10 Upgrade 9252. So run it. Once you will run it, it will start checking for the updates. It will then download and install all the required updates for your PC. Once it has installed all the required updates for your PC, it will ask you to restart your PC. You can either wait 30 minutes for the tool to automatically restart your PC, or you can just click on the Restart Now button to restart your PC immediately. So go ahead and restart your PC. So once you have restarted your PC, you can go back to your Windows Update and verify if you have the latest updates. So go to your Windows Update. Here you can see that you will have a message which says you are up to date with a green check mark. This means that your Windows has been updated. So this is how we can fix the Windows Update problem. I hope that this video has helped you in fixing your Windows Update problems. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.